welcome to our second video for the Power BI course. In this short video, I will explain the very basics of Power BI Pro in the context of Office 365 to you. And as you watched the steps in the previous video, we got the trial Power BI Pro licenses. Normally it costs about 10 euros per month. And you see you have an app called Power BI. I click on this. And I get redirected to a specific URL, this app.powerbi.com. This is the URL of Power BI service, which we use to where we publish the reports, and the service is used to do different things, whatever you need to do. So basically, this is how you navigate to the service. You either go to app.powerbi.com or you click on this icon in your Office Portal 365 Center. So when you click here, you would see different areas like home, favorites, recent apps, shared, workspaces, and my workspace. The most important part for us at the moment is my workspace. This is the area where we will be working. We will create our first report and just experiment a couple of things. So basically, in my workspaces, you see some things like dashboards, reports, workbooks, and data sets. We will get into details in the further videos, um, how to work with these dashboards, reports, workbooks, etc. But for the time being, we just explore this interface a little bit. So as you see in our course, we will cover two things. One thing is called Power BI Service, and second thing is Power BI Desktop. And it is important to know the difference between Power BI Desktop and Power BI Service. So if I click here on this little icon, I get this option Power BI Desktop. There are also options like Data Gateway, Originated Report Builder, Power BI for mobile, and Analyze in Excel updates. So the option which is relevant to us is Power BI Desktop. Power BI Desktop, it's a desktop application that you can download, and with this application you can generate a professionally looking, good looking, very good looking Power BI report. So I can go ahead and do that, and it downloads this specific Power BI Desktop. It's also, yeah, I think this is the easiest way, just to go to the portal, click on download, and um, you will be able to download it and install it. So for now, we will end this video, and here we learned about two main components as a Power BI service and the installation of Power BI Desktop. In the next video, I will continue with Power BI Desktop. We'll focus on this first, and so you get a feeling how to create a report and then how to publish this report. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Talk to you soon.